Hello, welcome to another quick maths tutorial, and Happy New Year from Hendog Maths. I know I haven't seen you since 2019, but I thought I'd start off this new year with a simple topic of the index rules, or exponents, or powers, or whatever you like to call them. So I'm going to be showing you six rules that involve numbers with the same base, so the number that is being, so x in this case, a number that is being times by itself, raised to powers, so sort of deductions you can make. So this first one, if you have x to the n times x to the m, it will give you x to the n plus m. So what that means is, I'm going to give you an example with base 2. So 2 square, that's meant to be 2 as well, times, I'm going to use a dot for times because of the x's, 2 to the 3, that's equal to 2 to the 5. 2 to the 5 is 32, 2 to the 3 is 8, and 2 squared is 4, and 4 times 8 is 32, so we can verify that's true. Second rule is x to the n divided by x to the m is equal to x to the n minus m. So again, if I was to do 2 cubed, don't know, I keep picking cubed and I can't draw threes that well. 2 cubed divided by 2 squared, that gets us, well, that would basically, 8 divided by 4, which is what that is, would give us 2. So that would be 2 to the 1, we could write that as. And that makes it true because 3 take 2 is 1. Okay, so the third rule, if we have a base to a power, which is the resultant of that is then raised to another power, we could say that it's just the base raised to the two powers times together. So x to the n raised to m is x to the nm. So again, 2 squared raised to the power of 3 is equal to, so 2 squared is 4. 2 squared is 4, and 4 raised to the power of 3 is 64. Likewise, if we just done, we could do the 2 and the 3 times together, and we get 2 to the 6, and 2 to the 6 is 64. Okay, so that rule is also right. And for the fourth rule, we have x to the power of n to the nth root, so whatever m was, is equal to x to the power of n divided by m. So let's try to think of a way where this would work. I can't really show you an example for that off the top of my head, which is nice. Although I could have n is 4 and m is 2. So I could have 2 to the 4 square rooted. So and 2 to the 4 is 16. Square root of 16 is 4, and 4 written as power of 2 is 2 squared. Or we could have done 4 divided by 2 and got us 2. Okay, so if I move on to the next page, I get here that rule 5 is x to the power of n divided by m, or n over m as a fraction. That will give us x to the power of n divided by root m. So that's basically, I'm not going to prove that because that's the reverse of what we've just seen. So I'll just say that's 4. It's interchangeable with that rule. I've already said that. This last one is worth noting though, that x to the power of minus n is equal to 1 over x to the n. So if n is a negative power, we take the reciprocal of x, but we keep the positive power on x. So x to the power of minus 2, so 2 to the power of minus 2. That is equal to 1 over 2 squared, which is 1 over 4. Okay, so that's what negative powers do, they do the reciprocal. Okay, so I hope that you found this video useful, and thanks for watching. Happy New Year.